Packers Card 19 here. What's up, guys? So I was just thinking, you know how we say, like, don't get your cards wet, don't let them get water, don't let them be too cold, don't let them get too hot, keep them in a cool, dry place. Like, well, why? So here, I've got a card labeled microwave. It's gonna go a minute in the microwave. Here I've got freezer, 12 hours in the freezer. Then water, and then in parentheses M, so it's going to be soaked in water and then go in the microwave, and then water parentheses F, water, and then the freezer for 12 hours. So I'm going to go put these two under some water and come back and show you guys what they look like, and then go put them away and test it out. Alright guys, so these are noticeably wet. Reminder, this one, Santa Moss, is going into the microwave, and Philip Rivers is going into the freezer, along with Alan Bailey's going in the freezer, and Ray Rice is going into the microwave. No disrespect to any of these cards, this is just an experiment to see. Alright. So after these guys were placed in the microwave, not much really changed that I can notice, except the one that was in the water got these bumps on it. You can see it's got one there, it's got a couple here that I can feel right there. You can see it with the glare, those bumps. But that's just where there was probably a pool of water. So I'm gonna have to do some more experimenting, and I'm gonna put these boys in for 4 minutes in the microwave, because let's see if we can get something to happen. But I don't know for sure, but I'm gonna put this guy in water again. But if your card gets a little wet, dabbing it up, and then if it gets in there, you might want to toss it in the microwave. I'm not sure about that yet, but I'll let you know. Real quick update. The water is like this. This is what it's looking like. And I'm going to make a pool of it right in the middle right there. Just like that. When I put them in there. And then we'll see if the water really made those little dents. And if it could really be avoided. Alright, so update on the microwave. After 2 minutes, this one started to smell. And as you can see, it got burnt up around here. And I'll see if you can try and see. There's marks here. And it goes around like that. Yeah, you can see there how it is. It's got like the little pools of where it started to dry up as it evaporated in the microwave. And then on the back too. You can see right here-ish, it's burnt. And if you could feel it, you would know that it feels weird right there. This one, with no water on it, nothing really happened. It's pretty normal. So, that's interesting. And it's actually prompted me. This one is going to be soaked in water. Soaked in water for around 10 hours. And then microwaved for 1 minute. And we're going to see what happens there. So if your card, this would represent if your card was like super water damaged. What could you do? And I'll give it a little signature right there to represent if it was an auto, what would happen to that autograph. Alright, let's go see. Alright, so back with the results. The ones from the freezer turned out basically okay. Nothing really major there. That was the one with the water. This was the one I was playing. Nothing much really. Then over to, we talked about the one in the microwave again, after they were in there for 2 minutes. And then the one that was soaked in the water for 12 hours and then microwaved actually inflated a little bit. So there's like, so the card's starting to like separate because of all the water that was in there that had been like trapped in there, and it actually tore right there to let the air get out. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So the conclusion here is, don't let your cards get too hot. Take care of them. Especially don't let them get wet. You saw that a lot of these, when they were put in the water, the paint came off, the pen. That would destroy an auto. I'm confident that these would also mess up any patches. But in terms of just normal cards with nothing special on them, you can basically treat them however you want. That's what I've learned here. So thank you guys for watching. As always, click here for a nice video, click here for a nice video, and subscribe down below. Thank you guys.